Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. Yes, I'm here at the Mika motorcycle auction, classic motorcycle auction, largest in the world here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let's get walking, see what we can find. You're welcome to join me and point out anything you like. All right everyone, let's get going. Well, that brings the end of another episode here at Gearhead Man. You guys gotta let me know in the comments what you think. If you have a favorite bike, if you saw something you used to own, something you want to own, if you collect classic motorcycles, leave your comments. I respond to everyone, and I'm interested to see what my viewers think of about this auction. Give us a like, give us a share. If you're not a subscriber, that's crazy if you're not, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you never miss a new episode. All right, everyone. See you next episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Oh, we're getting very close to 20,000 subscribers, and I'm going to celebrate that. Keep an eye out for that, and definitely smash that subscribe button. All right, everyone. Thank you. See you next episode.